And moving on to other news, politics over rural job scheme overhaul rages on. The Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Grameen, which is VBG Ramji Bill 2025, was tabled in Lok Sabha on Tuesday, and a discussion will be taking place today. The Congress has issued a whip in the Lok Sabha directing its MPs to be present in the House for the next 3 days. Opposition MPs met the Speaker today questioning what it calls undue haste in pushing the bill. The VBG Ramji bill, introduced by Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan on Tuesday, seeks to guarantee 125 days of rural employment annually, over 100 that is guaranteed right now, and replace the 20-year-old Manrega. Defending the legislation, Chauhan said the Modi government believes in and follows Gandhiji's principles, claiming it has done more for rural development than the previous regimes. The move triggered strong opposition protests, with MPs objecting to the removal of Mahatma Gandhi's name from the scheme. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi was among those who demanded the bill to be referred to a parliamentary committee for scrutiny. Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi has accused the government of deliberately removing Mahatma Gandhi's name from the Manrega scheme. He said a prime minister who named a stadium after himself knew exactly what he was doing. The bill is likely to be taken up today or later this week.
They are burying Manrega. They wanted to see all the Congress party's names, whatever land grant, land acquisition, whatever is their programs, Anganwadi scheme, pension scheme, employment scheme, insurance scheme, labor scheme, whatever the law we brought, they want to take out. This guarantee scheme is all over the world, employment guarantee scheme. So Manmohan Singh, under the leadership of Sonia Gandhi, gave this Manrega. We all panchayats were being benefited out of it. Money used to come to the panchayats. Now Gandhiji name they hate Gandhiji. They hate Jawaharlal Nehru. They hate Nehru family. That is why they have changed this name. And lot of things has been looked upon.
राम के नाम पे तो पूरा देश है, ये देश राम का है। तो ये आप क्या दिखाना चाहते हो? आपको ज्यादा दिखाने की कोशिश क्यों करते हो कि राम सिर्फ आपके हैं? राम पे कोई इनका थोड़ी ना अधिकार है कि केवल इन्हीं का अधिकार, तो राम तो सबके हैं। और आप महात्मा गांधी जी का अपमान केवल इसलिए करोगे कि वो कांग्रेस विचारधारा के थे। आप पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू का अपमान करोगे। तो ये जो सोच और मानसिकता है कि देश के अंदर किसी ना किसी मुद्दे के ऊपर नफरत फैला कर रखो, किसी भी मुद्दे के ऊपर नफरत फैला के रखो। जब इस योजना को 10 साल चलाने के बाद दिखाई दे गया कि ये जड़ों में पहुंची हुई है, मिल रही है, तो इसका नाम चेंज करके इसको इस तरह से कर देंगे कि हमें, मतलब आप 40% पैसे की आपने स्टेट पे रही थी, स्टेट के पास पैसा है कहाँ? आप जो आपकी गवर्निंग स्टेट है वहां मिल सकता है, बाकी स्टेट में तो नहीं है।
Mahatma Gandhi is the father of nation. Sri Ramji we all adore. But when there is a successful program which is existing, present, which was started by Dr. Manmohan Singh, Srimati Sonia Gandhi as the UPA chairman, Rahul Gandhi's leadership, it had been a huge success, providing employment at the local level. Those who could not go to other states, other villages for work. And at the same time, development used to happen in the villages. This was, in the history of India, this was the most successful program. And BJP could not digest this. BJP could not digest this. And they have changed the name now. BJP is desperate. They could not tolerate the success of Mahatma Gandhi Rozgar Yojana, and they have stooped so low.
It's a well-known fact that within their heart of hearts, RSS and BJP, they dislike Mahatma Gandhi. And that shows up in all these kind of things that they do. And if you look at their philosophy and history, they've always disliked Mahatma Gandhi and what he stood for. So they only do lip service to him because they cannot publicly criticize him because of the name and reputation Mahatma Gandhi ji has got. But heart of hearts, they have a hatred towards, or they have a deep dislike for Mahatma Gandhi. Changing the name shows their pettiness and their dislike. It's very unfortunate. And the second thing is they're making the scheme almost redundant now.
It is not at all required. That is what our MPs are speaking today in the Parliament. It is not at all required. See, there have been very good schemes. You are now giving a lot of names to these existing schemes. which no one would even understand, the people of Tamil Nadu especially. And there was a scheme in the name of the Bapuji, and why should we change it now? For what joy?